Good morning and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis with the dollar-yen pair and the recent events during the markets. Greg?
The dollar-yen pair has gained 0.5% in the last session. The stochastic RSI has skyrocketed into the overbought zone. The price of gold has lost 1.1% in the last session. The ADX has receded into the negative area. Bitcoin has added 5.7% in the last two sessions. The highs-lows indicator has bounced upwards into the positive area. The Aussie dollar pair has lost 0.3% in the last session. Stochastic is diminishing and is now giving a neutral signal.
Thank you for sharing with us. Now let's hear from our news department.
Deliveroo announced plans to launch what could be the biggest London listing in more than 7 years, after the British food delivery firm's business surged during the COVID-19 pandemic. A gauge of global stocks dipped in choppy trading as investors eyed the yields on U.S. Treasuries for signs of inflation in the wake of the U.S. passage of a $1.9 trillion stimulus bill. MasterCard and Samsung are set to launch a biometric payment card, which have been gaining more traction thanks to falling production costs.
Thank you. Now let's hear today's most important economic events.
The U.S. NFIB Business Optimism Index will be released at 1100 GMT. The U.S. Redbook Index at 1355 GMT, the Eurozone's gross domestic product at 1000 GMT. Germany's trade balance will be released at 700 GMT, the French non-farm payrolls at 630 GMT, Japan's machine tool orders at 600 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning with the latest news and events from the financial markets.